This spray is for anyone experiencing slow growth. If your hair has been stuck on the same length for years, if you're experiencing excessive shedding, your hair falls out anytime you comb it, if your edges are running to the back of your head, or you're dealing with dandruff, itchy or flaky scalp, if your hair is weak, brittle and break easily, or your hair follicles are clogged due to excessive buildup, this spray is for you. If your hair looks lifeless or you have inflammation on your scalp right now, all you need to do is watch this video to the end and prepare this remedy. After preparing it, ensure you use this every day for the next 30 days, and after 30 days come back and share your results with me. Don't need to buy any expensive ingredients. This spray is made from absolutely what you already have in your kitchen. Without further ado, let me show you how I cook up this amazing hair growth spray that will have your hair screaming. Your build up, your slow growth, your dandruff, everything is about to be over. Everything I use in this spray is almost free, and the first ingredient we are using is orange, but not the orange juice. We are using the orange peel for this recipe. I will give you a reason why you should start using orange peel for your hair growth spray, but before we do that, let's take off the peel. If you have been eating orange and throwing away the peel, you are definitely doing something wrong, because this peel contains some essential vitamins you'll be needing for your hair. This orange peel that goes into your waste bin is vitamin C overload, which is collagen factory. Orange peel has 2 times more vitamin C than the orange itself. Vitamin C is what makes your body produce collagen, and collagen holds your hair strands together so they don't snap or break. This simply means less breakage, more length you can actually keep. Your slow growth is really just breakage in disguise, because your hair keeps on growing. The only problem is that it breaks off at the rate at which it grows. That is why it seems like your hair is not growing. But the collagen in orange peel will help hold the hair together so it doesn't break. Orange peel is loaded with limonene and flavonoids. These are natural vasodilators, and what this does is that it forces your blood vessels to open wider to have access to more blood flow, more oxygen, more iron, and more vitamins for your hair follicle to start growing. This instantly feeds your starving roots. This orange peel also detoxifies your scalp and destroys dandruff. Orange peel is acidic and has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. If your scalp is always greasy, always flaky, and always itching, orange peel will wipe everything off. Our second ingredient is the onions peel. I wasn't joking when I said this spray is almost free. I made it out of nothing. Everyone is obsessed with onion juice without the smell, but the peel, this is where the real power lives. It has 6 times more quercetin than the onion itself. This onions peel contains sulfur, which thickens your strands. The onions peel is loaded with sulfur compound. Sulfur is literally the building block of keratin and collagen. Your body uses this sulfur to build stronger hair from the roots. If you have thin see-through hair, this fills it with protein bricks so it can come out more dense. With consistent use of onions peel, your hair will instantly go from thin to thick. It also gives you maximum circulation. Quercetin is a circulatory beast. It forces blood flow to rush through your hair follicles. That warm tingling sensation you feel when you apply this, it is oxygen, iron, nutrients being dumped on your follicles. This instantly forces your sleeping hair follicle to wake up and start growing. You can take off the onions peel from the onions you already have at home and then clean it off. You can wash it or use a paper towel to clean out the dirt. If you notice those black stuff on your onion peel, please do not go ahead and use it like that, because those are fungi that might be harmful to your scalp. So ensure you clean them or wash them thoroughly before you go ahead and use it. A lot of you don't know you already have a DHT blocker in your kitchen, and this is it right here. The quercetin in onions peel is a natural anti-androgenic. This means it blocks DHT from attaching to your hair follicle. This makes your hair follicle stay in a growth mode instead of shutting down. It has antibacterial and antifungal shield. Any scalp issues you are having related to bacteria or fungi, onions peel kills it instantly on contact. This instantly means no more infection stealing your nutrients. Your scalp becomes clean so your hair can stay growing for a longer time. The third ingredient we are using for this recipe is bay leaves. You might think bay leaf is only for cooking, but this leaf right here is a scalp commander. It is anti-dandruff, it is anti-shed, and it is also a growth stimulant. Bay leaves are loaded with eugenol and senior. These two are the strongest natural antifungi on earth. It destroys the fungi responsible for producing dandruff, itchiness, and flaky scalp. This ensures that no dandruff, no clogged hair follicle, and your baby hair can actually grow out. This compound irritates your scalp just enough for the blood vessel to open up. It works similarly like peppermint but deeper and warmer. This gives you more oxygen and more nutrient flow to your hair follicle. Your dormant hair follicle gets the signal and start growing. Our last ingredient is the cinnamon stick. By now, you should know that cinnamon sticks are not just for tea and cinnamon rolls. This will literally set your follicle on fire. Adding just one stick to this spray will instantly cause the heat. That is the one sensation on your scalp, causes blood flow and instant absorption. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde. This is a compound that makes it hot. If you put it on your scalp, it instantly dilates blood vessel fast. That tingling sensation you feel, that is blood, that is oxygen, iron and nutrient flowing through your hair follicles. Your sleeping follicles will think it's leg day. They will wake up and get to work. Cinnamon opens the pores so everything penetrates deeper. The orange peel, the onion peel, and the bay leaf hit 10 times harder when cinnamon is in the mix. This is the cheat code that makes everything work faster. Cinnamon is a natural antimicrobial and antifungal beast. It wipes off scalp bacteria and fungi that causes itchy, bumps, and dandruff on your scalp. This ensures that your hair follicles can grow without fighting germs. It also reduces inflammation on your scalp. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and fight inflammation from the inside out. I have tried to explain briefly the importance of these herbs and what they are used for. Now let me tell you how to prepare this. We prepare this by infusing it in water through boiling. We are going to use this as a leave-in spray, everyday leave-in spray. It is very easy and simple to make. All you need to do is gather all your ingredients together, put it in a pot, pour in some water and put it on fire. Allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then let it cool off. These ingredients can work wonders if you use it individually, but using it together attack hair growth from different angles. The orange peel will build collagen and clean up your scalp and also add shine to your hair, while the onion peel will feed your follicle with sulfur and quercetin. Also blocks DHT and thicken your strands. The bay leaf detoxifies your scalp, stops shedding and stimulates growth. The cinnamon stick increases blood flow, help all the nutrients absorb better and also kill bacteria. This will give you a clean follicle, a wake-up follicle, feed your follicle, protect your follicle. This is hair growth cycle in one bottle. This spray is not magic. It is not going to give you overnight hair growth. If you use it consistently for 1 week, here is what is going to happen. Your scalp feels alive. You experience tingling, warm sensation, less itchy and more blood flow on your scalp. With less flakiness and grit, your scalp stays cleaner longer between washes, and your hair feels smoother because orange peels will smoothen out the cuticles. Inflammation will reduce and circulation will increase. By the second week of consistent use, you will notice that there is less hair in your comb or in your shower drains. This is because bay leaf and cinnamon will reduce stress shedding. Your scalp looks cleaner and your hair stays in a growth phase longer. By the 4th week, you will notice baby hair start to appear in your hairline, your edges, or your crown area. This is when people get excited. Your hair feels thicker at the roots. The sulfur in the onion peel will start thickening your hair, and the remaining dormant hair follicle will push back into the anaging phase, which is the growth phase. I need you to know that if your follicle is dead or scarred, this will not grow your hair. And this spray is not going to give you 6 inches in 1 month. I did not promise you that. And most importantly, this spray is not going to work if you just do it once. Those who will see results faster are those their hair is thinning from build-up, stress, or DHT. Those experiencing slow growth from breakage, and also those with itchy dandruff scalp. You can see your result from week 1 because the bay leaf and the orange are antifungal in nature. Those who will see result less and it takes more time, those people with androgenic baldness, those people with scarring alopecia, and also those with major hormonal issues. This spray will help you, but it will not fix the whole issues. But if you're not in this category, if you use this spray consistently, just as I have said, you will get a cleaner scalp, a better circulation, a stronger strands, and less shedding. Having said that, let me now tell you how to apply this for the maximum benefit. This spray can be used on your scalp and on the strands of your hair. It is a straightening spray, so ensure that you use it to saturate your strands. While you're doing that, ensure it gets to your root, that is your scalp. because that is where your hair grows out from. If your hair is as thick as mine or even thicker, ensure that you section it into different parts so you can get access to your scalp. But if you're on a protective style, just use a spray bottle or an applicator bottle to spray it all over your scalp and hair. This spray works better left in the hair, so you don't need to be washing it out. Just spray it and leave it in your hair. You can use it 4 or 5 times weekly, or you can even use it every day if you have the time. I forgot to say, this spray smells heavenly. When you're boiling it, the smell that comes out of it is awesome. This spray can absolutely be used by anybody, be it textured hair, relaxed hair, natural hair, any kind of hair can use this. This absolutely worth your time and effort. You don't need a lab. All you need is the pot, orange peel for building, onion peel for thickening, bay leaf for detox, and cinnamon for fire. Your scalp has been begging you for this, so stop buying hope and start cooking magic. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed or liked, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to be a member of this family, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need it for their hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.